happen.
Well, hurry. And get right back to work.
So, you're a henpecked rooster, huh? I wouldn't be in the spot you're in. Hey! Now, just a minute, Bob. Before you do anything rash. Look, I think I can help you beat a boss.
From now on, I do no more work. Why can't you get rid of that now?
Oh, old bird in the jail said right.
It's just like I was saying. Women are all alike. You just have to know how to handle them.
Herman, you're absolutely right. We've got to be the boss. Hey, get back in that kitchen where you belong, or I'll wring your neck. I'll pluck you right down to your wishbone and your bossing days are over, you